You might be wondering about some of the background cars in most of my videos. Most of the ones that I'm talking about are my 1996 Ford F-150 videos. This one right here. One of them that started it all is my 1979 Dodge Colt. This car, we did a Ford 8.8 swap. We also had a Ford 4.6 2-valve in it and a T45 5-speed in it at one point. Ripped that all out, cut the floor out to get it ready for 302 and a T5. It was going to be a better combo space-wise. Well, the project got shelved and then it got moved on and yada yada yada. At the end of the day, we ended up selling the car. So this car has to go. The outside's completely covered in snow, but what we're going to do today is we're going to move this car out, put all its parts in, and get it ready for the buyer that's going to come within the week. So here we go. What we're going to do is we're going to haul it out this door and then bring it beside our old town and country. So these right here are my homemade tire chains from my 36 by 9 inch military tires. These ones right here that are on my diesel pickup. What we're going to do, we're going to mount those on because we're going to have to get through all the old snow and crusty snow all the way through. So combine that with my welded diff, we should be able to hook onto the car and drag it all the way. Now, I already put this side's chains on. These are homemade. Basically, they use bungees. I'm going to show you guys how to do the other one on time lapse. Yeah, then we're going to get cracking. So basically, the premise of these chains is you have a link every 4 inch for the entire width, 36, and then how you connect them is simply these quick connects. You unscrew one side, hook them on together, put it on. You have to drive over them to set them up, but once they're all set up, then you take your bungees and you bungee it on. It keeps the tension on, they keep them coming off. They're a simple chain, homemade, costed well under $100 for 36 by 9 inch tires. Try to find other 36 inch tire chains that store bought for under $100 and get back to me. So we're going to install these and then we're going to hit the snowbank and go get the car. Now, you might be thinking, fellers, these chains are pretty loose, eh? But what I can tell you is this. For homemade chains, nothing fancy, same length, same everything. They came out all right. If you have to put 5 bungee cords on them and you break for a year, that's like $10. I've never had the chains come off yet. And if they do, then you just move it back a link, tighten them up a little bit. So, what we're going to do, we're going to go get that car. So, what I'm thinking for a plan, you see, is I'm going to open the door fully. We're going to go inside. I'm going to push the car out as far as I can. Then we're just going to hook onto the truck, slide it sideways, and then keep on slinging all the way back. current strategy, so you could say we have one. We're going to hook on to the engine cross member on this car. Hook onto the truck. Gently pull it this way. Once it's pretty much pulled to the side, we're going to plow it forward, unhook, and then do the same to go over to its final resting spot until the guy picks it up. So I'm thinking going right around the engine cross member. Bob's your uncle. I think we got her made. I don't know if you can even see that. Maybe I can see that. But just know that I'm attaching the straps the safe way. I wonder what Vice Grip Garage is doing there. Huh. So, we're going to attach our strap here, right through, hook it on, a couple threads, and I think we're good to go. As you guys can see, some of these ruts are pretty big there. It's all soft, powdery snow with a hard crust on top, but they're about knee height, especially over there. We basically drug the car all the way through on this, but the old truck did good. Now that there's some daylight, you can see it's a nice, clean little car. It's a shame I've never got to finish it, but it's funding, will help fund other projects. There we go. A 1978 Colt is out of the barn and ready for pickup. I'm going to fill up the cab with some parts. I'm going to unhook the truck, but that's it for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys on the next one.